Guys, welcome back. I was hoping it's going to be easy, but it turned out to be quite hard to pull out of the box here. I don't want to break it. It was giving me a bit of a struggle. And then, so underneath we've got these instruction manuals. All the paperwork most people don't read. And then on the top here, we have the drone itself. And I was really hoping for it to have the prop guards, but I don't see them. I really hope prop guards are in here somewhere. This is a bit like a tiered kind of system here. Oh, there they are, the prop guards. Now these are the things I'm excited about, because I bought another one of these. There we go. And it did not come with the prop guards, and that was a big problem. And I'll show you guys in a minute why that is. But anyway, what do we have in the box? We have the drone itself. We have this cool prop guard system. We have the power cable. We've got some spare props and a tool to remove the spare props. No screwdriver in this case, and then the usual very cool remote control, which I believe has 4 AA batteries. This always tricks me because it looks like there's only 2, but then 2 of them slide in there. Alright, thanks for watching. In the next video I will show you the comparison between this one and the one that I bought previously, and why this one hopefully will be better. Thanks for watching.